चलिए देखते हैं। नाउ लेट अस सी व्हाट इज कंसेप्ट ऑफ साइक्लिसिटी। यहाँ पे देखिए मैंने इंक्रीजिंग पावर्स लिखे हुए हैं नंबर्स के, बहुत सारे नंबर्स आपको दिख रहे हैं सामने, और मैंने नंबर्स के यहाँ पे इंक्रीजिंग पावर्स लिखे हुए हैं। 2 to power 1 is 2, 2 to power 2 is 4, 2 to power 3 is 8, 2 to power 4 is 16, 2 to power 5 is 32, 2 to power 6 is 64, then 2 to power 7 is 128, 2 to power 8 is 256. If you can notice one thing, what is units digit of 2 to power 1? 2. After 4 powers, 1, 2, 3, 4, you can see units places again 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is again 2. Okay. If I want to write down one more number, 2 to power 13, so it will be 8192. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So after every 4 powers, units digit is repeating itself. 2 to power 2 के केस में what is units digit? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. फिर repeat हो गया. 1, 2, 3, 4. फिर repeat हो गया. 2 to power 3 में this is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 to power 4. Units place is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So units place is repeating after 4 powers. So we will say units digit cyclicity of 2 is 4. Are all of you clear with the concept of cyclicity? What cyclicity
Yes,
is?
sir.
Cyclicity
Yes, sir.
is the number of
Yes.
powers after which units digit repeat itself. So in case of 2, units digit is repeating after 4 powers. So we can say cyclicity of 2 is 4. Similarly, let us see for 3. 3 to power 1 is 3. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 3. 3 to power 2 is 9. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. I can see this is again 9. So in case of 3, units digit is repeating after 4 powers. So I can say units digit cyclicity for 3 is 4. अब आप और देखिए 3 to power 3 units place is 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 to power 4 units place is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. So after every 4 powers, units digit is repeating. So we can say units digit cyclicity of 3 is 4. Now just check out. What about 4? Anybody?
2.
2.
2.
2. 4 है. 1, 2, 1, 2. 6 के लिए 1, 2, 1, 2. So units digit cyclicity of 4 is 2. What about 5?
1.
1. In case of 5, it is 1. It's always 5. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. It's always 5. What about 6?
1.
1.
1.
1. What about 7?
2. 4.
7 है. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. So 7 के लिए it is 4. Can you give me for 8?
4.
4. This is 8. 1, 2, 3. What about 9?
2.
2.
2.
9 के लिए it is 2. So that is how we can understand concept of cyclicity. Okay, this is clear to all of you. Now see one more thing. If a number is ending with 4 and power is odd, your answer will always end with a 4. देखो, if a number is ending with 4, 4 to power 1 is 4, 4 to power 3 is 4, 4 to power 5 is 4. So if a number is ending with 4 and power is odd, your answer will always be 4. Say if I write a number, 74 power 47. So number is ending with 4 and power is odd. So what will be units place of this number?
4.
4. Similarly, if a number is ending with 4 and power is even, it will end with a 6. 4 to power even 6. 4 to power even 6. 4 to power even 6. So I can write, suppose I have a number 384. Power is 598. So number is ending with 4 and power is even. So units place of this number will be 6. Is this idea clear to you?
Yes.
All of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similarly, if a number is ending with 9 and power is odd, units place will be 9. 9 to power odd, 9. 9 to power 3, 9. 9 to power 5, 9. So whenever power is odd, my units place you can see is 9. Similarly, in case of 9, if power is even, my units place is 1. So I can write, say I have a number 429, power is 7329. What will be units place?
9.
This is 9 and this is odd. So it is 9. Say my number is 79, power 78. What will be units place? 1.
1.
So that is how I can write it easily. Now one more thing. If a number is ending with 0 and power is any natural number, units place will always be 0. Suppose if I ask you 40 power 17, what will be units place?
0.
0. Because this is 40 into 40 into 40, so will always end with a 0. So in this case, units place will always be 0. Similarly, if I have a number ending with 1 and power is any natural number, so units place will always end with a 1. If I ask you 71 power 53, so what will be units place? 1.
1.
Okay. चलो एक और बताओ 86 power 29, what will be units place?
92.
देखते हैं
No, no, sir. नहीं.
86
6.
into 86 into 86 into 86
6.
6.
6.
6 into 6 is 6 into 6 is 36. 6 into 6 is 36. So it's always 6. देखिए ना 6 power 1 भी 6 है 2 भी 6 है 3 भी 6 है 4 भी 6 है. So if a number is ending with 6 and power is any natural number, your result will always end with a 6. Number is ending with 6. Power is any natural number. My result will always end with a 6. Similar is the case for 5. If a number ends with 5, power is any natural number, my result will always end with a 5.
5.
So just keep these things in your mind. Okay, what? Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'll be explaining you one more thing. Suppose you have a number, यहीं पे मैं explain करता हूँ. Say I have a number. Just give me a second. Now, we have seen those things. Now, say I have a number 48 and my power is 251. My number is 48 and power is 251. Now I want to calculate units digit of this number.
8.
Sir, 2.
Sir, 8.
It's not 8. See carefully.
4.
What is cyclicity of 8?
2.
4.
4.
देखिए 2, 3, 7, 8. What is cyclicity of these 4 numbers? 4. Yeah. What is cyclicity of 4 and 9? Cyclicity of 4 and 9 is 2.
2.
So what you have to do, divide this power by 4. Always divide power by 4. If I divide 251 by 4, what is my remainder? 3.
3.
तो यूनिट्स प्लेस कैलकुलेट करने के लिए आप इस 8 पे पावर क्या रखेंगे? 3. आप इस 8 पे पावर क्या रखोगे? 3. व्हाट इज वैल्यू? 512. व्हाट इज माय वैल्यू? 512. राइट. सो व्हाट इज यूनिट्स प्लेस? 2. सो 48 पावर 251 के लिए व्हाट इज यूनिट्स प्लेस? और एक एग्जांपल देखते हैं. सपोज योर क्वेश्चन इज 72 पावर 57. Always divide power by 4. If you are unable to apply the rules that I gave you, यदि वो rules आप नहीं लगा पाते हो, तो उस केस में क्या करो? Directly divide power by 4. So if I divide 57 by 4, in this case my remainder is 1. So units place will be 2 to power 1, that is 2. Say my question is 72 to power 59. Now I will divide 59 by 4. What is my remainder? 3. So I will write 2 to power 3. So my units place will be 8.
8.
Say my question is 73 power 27. Okay. So now what will I do? I'll divide 27 by 4. What is my remainder? 3. So it will be 3 to power 3. That is 27. So what is my answer?
7.
So always divide power by 4. Why I am dividing power by 4? Because my cyclicity is 4. For 4 and 9, I have direct rules. Say if I ask you 79 power 56, what will be units place? (79 power 56). This is 9 power even. So answer is
1.
1.
29 power 53.
9.
9.
You can directly use rules. आप इस प्रोसेस से करोगे तो भी आ जाएगा. अब जैसे आपके पास है say 72 power 56. So now you will divide 56 by 4. What is the remainder? 0. So when remainder is 0, आप पावर पे 4 रखिए तो आपको 16 मिला. सो आंसर इज 6. तो जब रिमाइंडर 0 मिलेगा तो आप पावर पे क्या रखोगे? 4. जब रिमाइंडर 3 मिलेगा तो आपने पावर पे क्या रखा? 3. जब रिमाइंडर 1 मिला तो आपने पावर पे क्या रखा? 1. Suppose your question is 78 power 42. So you will divide 42 by 4. What is the remainder? 2. So your answer will be 8 power 2, 64. So what is your answer? Answer will be
4.
So when your remainder is 2, आपने पावर पे क्या रखा? 2. So if your remainder is 1, तो आप पावर पे 1 रखोगे. If remainder is 2, तो आप पावर पे 2 रखोगे. If remainder is 3, तो आप 3 रखोगे. But if remainder is 0, तो आप 4 रखोगे. And you will always divide power by 4. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Right? तो चलिए हम लोग कुछ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे. You have some questions in front of you. कुछ क्वेश्चंस यहाँ पे आपके सामने लिखे हुए हैं, जरा कोशिश करो. Try to solve question number 1 to question number 10. This is question number 1 till question number 10. Take your time. जरा solve करो in 5 minutes.
सर फर्स्ट का 8 है।
फर्स्ट का
8
चलो पूरे हो गए? 10 तक कंप्लीट हो
8
गया?
फिर 6। यस सर।
ओके वेरी गुड।
हो गया सर।
ओके वेरी गुड। चलिए देखते हैं आंसर्स। देखिए फॉर फर्स्ट वन, what is 3 multiplied by 2? 6. 6 multiplied by 6 is 6. Sir, keep multiplying. 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 6, 36. And 6 into 8 is 48. So units place will be 8. What about second?
8
8.
8
Third one?
3
3. This is 6.
6
6
This one?
5
5.
5
This one?
4
4
This one?
4
4. This one?
9
9
9. This one?
9
9
Great. This one?
2
2
2. Clear with this? Okay. ये वाले करो।
हो गया सर।
हो गया?
यस सर।
कितना हो गया?
यस
चलिए let's see. What is the answer for this one?
1 1
1. Next one? Next one
0
होगा
0
0.
0
Because 4 into 5 is 20. 20 से 0 आएगा. So it will always be 0. What about this one?
8
6
6.
8
2 है ना? If I divide this number by 4, 12 को 4 से डिवाइड करोगे तो रिमाइंडर 0 आएगा. जब 0 आएगा तो
अच्छा, हाँ।
4 रखोगे तो 16 आएगा. So answer will be 6. What about this one?
7
7
7.
7
ठीक है? Right? What about this one?
6
6
6. This one?
5
5
This one?
1
1
I can write it as 67 power 72. 8 into 9 is 72. Now this gives me 1. ठीक है? चलो. Try to solve these 5 questions. Now in this case, one question consists of 4 different questions. You have to find out units place of first number, second number, third number, fourth number. Then you have to add all of them to get the answer.
Option A.
Okay. Go for all of them.
The B.
सारे हो गए?
Correct, sir.
अब पांचों कर लो. वेरी एलिमेंट्री कंसेप्ट, बहुत सिंपल चीज है. डायरेक्टली क्वेश्चन इस पे इस लेवल पे नहीं आएगा आपको गेट में. एक इसका एडवांस लेवल हम लोग अभी नेक्स्ट क्लास में और करेंगे, प्रोबेबली डे आफ्टर टुमारो. फिर आपको क्वेश्चंस मिलेंगे. इन लेटर स्टेजेस विल बी गोइंग फॉर कैलकुलेशन ऑफ लास्ट 2 डिजिट्स ऑफ अ नंबर. तो उस पे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. यू मे गेट अ क्वेश्चन. Got the answer? Got the answer?
7.
Okay. Who with all? With all? फर्स्ट का आंसर ए आ गया.
हाँ
Yes,
सर.
sir.
यस सर.
सेकंड का सी.
सेकंड का सी.
सेकंड के सी में कोई डाउट? देखिए सेकंड में आप क्या करोगे. यू हैव नंबर्स 21 पावर 1 प्लस 22 पावर 2 प्लस 23 पावर 3 प्लस 24 पावर 4 प्लस 25 पावर 5 26 पावर 6 plus 27 power 7, 28 power 8 and 29 power 9. So this ends with 1, this ends with 4, this ends with 7, 6, 5, 6, 3, 6 and this is 9 power orders 9. अब देखिए 9 plus 1 ये 10 हो गया, 4 plus 6 ये भी 10 हो गया, 7 plus 3 ये भी 10 हो गया. तो 3 बार 10 आ गया तो 0 मिल गया आपको. Now what is 6 plus 6? 12. 12 and 5, 17. So what is units place? 7. So answer is 3. 3 is clear?
5, sir.
5.
Right? What about 4?
2.
4 is 2. And 5?
1.
1.
1.
ठीक है. इस पेज की एक फोटो खींच लो आप. फिर अभी हम लोग विल टेक अ ब्रेक ऑफ 10 मिनट्स. इन द मीन टाइम मैं पुराना रिकॉर्ड कर लूंगा. जस्ट टेक अ पिक्चर ऑफ दिस पेज ऑल ऑफ यू. आप इसको सॉल्व करके रखो, फिर हम लोग 10 मिनट में इसको स्टार्ट करते हैं.